Hello everybody, in this video we are going to discuss about the least recently used page replacement algorithm. According to this replacement algorithm, we are supposed to replace the page that has not been used for the longest period of time. That means we are doing the replacement for the page which is least recently used. Now to understand this concept, let us consider one example. Here I have taken the reference string where we are having total 15 bits over here. So let us start with the explanation. So this is the reference string what I have taken. So starting with the first reference bit. Okay. So as here in this example I am considering three page frames or three memory frames available. Now to load these strings on the three memory frames, the first page fault occurred for page number 7. So we are going to load that 7 or bit 7 in the page frame. Okay, afterwards we are going to load 0 and 1 also. Okay, because all the page frames were available. Fine. Now when the fourth reference string is required and when the fourth page fault is occurring, we need to do the replacement since we don't have extra space here or extra frame to load the page 2. Okay, so according to this LRU page replacement algorithm, we are supposed to replace the page which is least recently used. Now if you observe the previous three page frames, 7 is the frame or 7 is the page which we have least recently used as compared to other two pages. So we are going to replace 7 with 2. Now here you can observe that whatever the page I am placing on the frame, I am highlighting it with the green color followed by the star. It will help you to understand which page has been replaced. Okay, so after replacing page 7 with 2, the next request is for page number 0 or bit 0. So as you can see, already 0 is there on the page frame, so we don't need any kind of page replacement here. Okay, so now let us move to the next reference string or next reference bit, which is 3. Now since 3 is not available on the page frames, so we need to load that page 3. Okay, and once again we are going to apply the replacement algorithm here. And if you observe the previous references or previous page frames, one is the least recently used. Okay, so we are going to replace 1 with 3. Okay, so there might be question why I am not replacing 0 because already there was reference to the 0 in the previous bit. Okay, so it can't be the least recently used, so 1 will be the least recently used, so I am replacing it with 3. Okay, once again the reference to page 0 is not resulting in page replacement since already page 0 is available on the page frame. Next, moving to the next bit, which is 4. Since 4 is not available on the page frames, so we need to put it onto the page frame. So to replace, we are going to check once again. Now since 2 is the least recently used, so replace page 2 with 4. So this is the replacement happening here. After that, once again we need page 2, so again apply the least recently used algorithm. So since page 3 is the least recently used, so I am going to replace it with page 2, this one. Okay, then once again we need page 3, so we need to replace one of the page. So 0 was the least recently used, if you observe here. So I am going to replace page number 0 with page 3. Okay, then the next request is for page 0. Since 4 is the page which has been least recently used, so I am going to replace it with page number 0. Okay, followed by the next request for page 3 and page 2 will not result in page replacement since these two pages are available on the page frames. Okay, and when there is a request for page 1, since page 1 is not available on the page frames, we need replacement once again. Now if you check, 0 is the page which has been least recently used, so replace 0 with 1. Okay, and the last request for page 2 will not result in page replacement since already page number 2 is available on the frames. Okay, so like this, total page replacement happened by using this LRU is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So the total page replacements were 10. So now if you wanted to calculate the page fault rate, it will be 10 since there were total 10 page faults divided by 15 because we are having total of 15 bits in the reference string multiplied by 100. So overall you are getting somewhere around 66% of is the page fault rate. Okay, so this LRU algorithm is much better as compared to first in first out, since FIFO will have almost 12 page faults. I hope you understood this concept. Now if you wanted to implement the LRU, you can do it by using two different methods. The first one is counter and the second one is stack. Okay, so I hope you are okay with this concept of LRU page replacement.